Irritability, sensitivity. Living things are aware of their surroundings. They respond to stimuli, changes in the environment, like light, heat, sound, or touch. The scientific concept. This is about survival. If you touch a hot stove, your nerves send a signal to pull your hand away. If a plant is in a dark room, it will bend towards the window to find light. Why it matters? If an organism cannot sense danger or find resources, it won't survive for long. 4. Movement. While a rock stays where you put it, living things can move. The scientific concept. Animals show locomotion. They move their whole bodies from one place to another. Plants show path movement. They can't walk, but they move their leaves towards the sun or their roots towards water. Why it matters? Movement is necessary to find food, escape predators, or find a mate.